Mwaho wa Azimio utongoretio ni mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM na no mutongoria wa Mwaho uyu wa Azimio ni Raila Odinga makianire gukorwo magicokereria mirurungano guku bururi-ini wa Kenya itemi-ini ria gukorwo magiukirira thirikari na makiria ni kiria maugite ni kurituhio kwa magoti na kuria maikitiarite na kuri aria manyitaga baru Mwaho uyu wa Azimio la umoja gukorwo makigomera gukorwo makiriha magoti kuri thirikari. Mwandiki Maina wa Mucwe ni wagitinda akirumanirira na uhoro na agituhariria riboti ino.
Wapisha mwana migelegele kamukuji uracemania na mbica ya uihuru wa andu kiharoini gia kamukuji aria magukite kwamukira mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga kuma icera-ini riake bururi-ini wa Poland.
This week we were betrayed in this city. Our representatives conspired with an executive and abandoned us at our hour of need by voting for the punitive finance bill 2023.
Raila ni atetirie thirikari iguru ria wongerereku wa magoti hamwe na kwambatira gwa thogora wa muturere makiria akiregana na watho wa ndereti ya kigina iria irakorirwo gikirwo thaini ni mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto.
Yesterday, Mr. William Ruto endorsed this betrayal by signing the finance bill into law. We did everything that could be done to have Ruto listen to us and avert the confrontation over taxes. We petitioned the authorities and institutions. We demonstrated. We prayed in the house of worship. We begged to be heard. We sought amendments and we pleaded with the members of parliament to stand up for us. Our petitions were thrown to the dustbin by Ruto's tyrannical hands.
Medekithia make ni hamwe na kuria rumiriri yake maguta
whose aim is to force Mr. William Ruto's punitive regime to go home.
Gukirirwo kwa nyumba cia mohoro ni kureganitwo na kuonewa malwa akiuga Ruto arenda gwathana na githuri. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ria kwani Maina wa Mucwe.
Salimia baba.